This week I'm going to show you herbal soap making at home using the no melt method. It's quick, it's easy, it's perfect for beginners or for people who just want to make a simple batch of soap without all of the fuss. Hi, I'm Sarah from Soap School, and today we're going to go through a super easy way of making your own herbal soaps at home. So what do we need for this project? Well, all you need is some simple oils and butters, some herbs, and maybe even an essential oil. Let's get started. The first thing I need to do is to weigh out my ingredients. I'm going to mix my lye solution first. And then we'll just give that a really good mixing, just to make sure that all of the lye is properly dissolved. And set that to one side. Weigh out all of our oils. I'm starting with coconut oil. This is what's going to give us our beautiful bubbles and lather in the soap. And then I'm adding beautiful fair trade palm oil. Now I could heat this up, but today I thought I'd actually use the lye nice and hot and get the lye melting down our oils. So I'm just going to put the lye straight into the oils, and then I'm just going to stir until all of these naturally melt with the heat from the lye. Next we can add our olive oil. And now I'm going to add in my green colour. This is a little bit of green oxide, and I've just mixed it with a little bit of olive oil. I'm going to add in some kaolin clay. And I'm going to use some of the rosemary. I'm just going to put a little bit into the bottom of each one. And then we're going to stick blend. And then I'm going to use some essential oil. I've got a blend of a couple of different essential oils here. So I'm going to put the cedarwood and lime in first. And I've got rosemary. I'm going to put these to bed for the night, and I'm literally just going to put a plastic box over the top. That's going to keep those nicely insulated, and then I'm going to put a towel over the top, and that is going to keep it nice and insulated and warm through the night. And then we'll come back tomorrow and pop these beauties out of the molds. So I would love to know if you like using rosemary. Is it an essential oil that you like? Is it a herb that you like to maybe cook with? Do let me know in the comments. And while you are in that section, why not hit the like button if you've enjoyed it so far? Well, it's been 24 hours. Let's have a look at these beauties. Well, the colour is gorgeous, but I'm not going to know how much of this is ash and what the finished colour is until we pop them out of the mould. So let's do that. They look great. A little bit soft and sticky on that one still. Not surprised, it really has only been 24 hours. And we haven't gelled these soaps, so they're still going to be very soft. Wow, these look absolutely beautiful. I am so happy with these. Look how beautiful these are. They're absolutely stunning. Well, I think so anyway. So let me know. What do you think? Do you think they look beautiful? Would you be happy if these had popped out of your molds this morning? And although we've used rosemary in these, I think rosemary really looks great with this colour. So if you'd like to make herbal soaps yourself at home, why not give this a try? Just a simple round mould, a simple recipe. It's not fancy. It is a lovely, humble, simple soap recipe. And could you really want anything more? I have made another beautiful rosemary soap that I think you would enjoy. So at the end of this video, I'm going to link to it and you can check that out as well if you'd like to. I can't wait to see you again in another video with us really soon. Thank you so much for being with me today. I'll see you again. Bye bye for now.